All right, we got two Honor Box collections. One's from a pizzeria. Another one is from a vape store. And let's see how they did. This one sold 69 pops. There was one pop left. These are 70 pop holders. This one here, we don't sell these anymore. These are 42 pops, but we made them bigger capacity, more stable, a lot better. A lot of pops didn't sell here. I don't know what's going on. It's been there for 2 weeks. This one's on a week cycle. It's really good, but they've really been getting rough with the money box. It still is like, it's okay, and I'm gonna put it back out, see what they do with it. But I had issues with that last time. But at least, you know, the money is there. Let's see if it's really a lot though. And then we'll open this one up as well. All right, that's cool, dollar coin in there. But let's see how this one did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's still a lot of change, but $10 in bills, so we're okay on the 70 pops. We made our money back. We got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, just around 17 bucks, guys, in that, so not complaining there. And then this one, you know, a couple pops sold. It did 275, 375. I do now always check to see if there are any silver quarters, because I did find one, and God, it's so cool. I don't know if you ever heard a silver quarter before, but you got to hear this noise. It is kind of ASMR-y, so I'm going to take out the coin right here, and they believe this was a 1963. Yeah, 1963 is the year you want to look for. Super cool, but listen to this. How crazy is that? Because it's actually silver inside. It makes that noise compared to your quarter versus super cool, a lot heavier. I just am keeping it for good luck. It's worth $6. So very awesome. But this collection, we did 17 plus the 1, 2, 375. So we did 2075, one on a week cycle, one on 2 weeks. That place, I might have to pull it. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty bad. So I may pull it. I've been pulling so many of my Honor Box routes, just being completely honest with that. Or even just my boxes in general. I've sold some of my boxes. Not that I'm getting out of the business, but I'm learning that there's like a different aspect to this. You wanna get spots pretty much like this, like every single week, you know what you're getting, and it does pretty well. You know, even if they rip the box, one box only costs you $12, $13 shipped, so it's really not that bad. You know, you lose a week cycle, but you get another box. It's really not that hard. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this quick collection. Next week, we're doing an epic collection, 1.5 week cycles on a lot of my machines. I'll probably try to film that or get someone to film that for me. It's going to be an awesome collection. So hopefully you guys are back on this channel. And yeah, do what the sign says. Do more of what makes you guys happy. As I always say, spreading positivity, you know, trying to impact as many people as I possibly can. Share the video if you want, like the video, comment down below. Do anything you can, help this channel grow. And, you know, let's start this vending revolution. 2020 is our year and beyond. The next decade is our year for anyone who's willing to hustle. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.